Hey there, ice cream enthusiasts. Today we have a delicious treat for you as we explore the top 9 cities for ice cream lovers in the USA. Get ready to embark on a sweet journey as we uncover the best ice cream spots that each city has to offer. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tasty content. Let's get started. Kicking off our list is the city that never sleeps, New York City. When it comes to ice cream, the Big Apple has a lot to offer. Our first stop is the iconic Serendipity 3, known for their extravagant frozen hot chocolate and indulgent sundaes. Next up, Van Leeuwen Artisan Ice Cream, a local favorite for its rich, high-quality ice cream made with natural ingredients. Don't miss Morgenstern's Finest Ice Cream, where they craft unique and innovative flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Ample Hills Creamery is another must-visit, famous for its imaginative creations and playful atmosphere. And rounding off our NYC picks is Big Gay Ice Cream, a quirky spot with a cult following for their offbeat toppings and bold flavors. Heading over to the West Coast, we find ourselves in the picturesque city of San Francisco. Our first stop is By Right Creamery, a beloved local spot offering organic and locally sourced ingredients. Humphrey Slocombe is another gem known for its adventurous flavors, including the famous secret breakfast, bourbon and cornflakes. If you're a fan of handmade waffle cones, Salt and Straw is the place to be. Smitten Ice Cream brings a unique twist by using liquid nitrogen to create their delightful frozen treats. And last but not least, Garden Creamery offers Asian-inspired flavors that add a special touch to San Francisco's ice cream scene. Now, let's make our way to the Windy City, Chicago. Our first recommendation is Jenny's Splendid Ice Creams, known for its artisanal flavors and commitment to quality ingredients. Margie's Candies is a classic Chicago ice cream shop with a vintage charm and mouth-watering ice cream sundaes. Black Dog Gelato stands out with its unique gelato creations, including goat cheese cashew caramel. Bobtail Ice Cream Company is a local favorite with its nostalgic soda fountain atmosphere and delicious shakes. And don't forget to try Original Rainbow Cone, a Chicago icon serving up stacked layers of different flavors in every cone. Heading down to the vibrant city of Miami, where the sun meets the sea, and the ice cream is nothing short of extraordinary. First up is Azucar Ice Cream Company, offering a taste of Cuba with flavors like Abuela Maria and Café con Leche. The Freeze Ice Cream Factory has been a Miami Beach staple since 1987, serving up homemade ice cream with a side of ocean breeze. Mr. Cream brings a hip-hop twist to ice cream, with flavors inspired by your favorite rap artists. Lulu's Nitrogen Ice Cream uses liquid nitrogen to create a creamy, smooth treat right before your eyes. And Wynwood Parlor in the artsy Wynwood district is known for its creative flavors and Instagram-worthy presentation. Our next stop takes us to the hip and eclectic city of Portland, where the food scene is as diverse as the people. Starting off our list is Salt and Straw. Yes, they're in Portland too, and their seasonal flavors never disappoint. Ruby Jewel Ice Cream Shop, famous for its handmade ice cream sandwiches with unique cookie options. 50 Licks stands out with its bold and innovative flavor combinations, like Thai rice and whiskey caramel. Cool Moon Ice Cream is a classic Portland scoop shop with a cozy atmosphere and a rotating selection of delectable flavors. And last but not least, Cloud City Ice Cream offers vegan-friendly options, making it a hit among the city's diverse food scene. Now let's head to the Lone Star State and explore the vibrant ice cream scene in Austin, Texas. Our first pick is Lick Honest Ice Creams, where they focus on using local and seasonal ingredients to create their mouth-watering flavors. Amy's Ice Creams is an Austin institution known for its playful atmosphere and crush-ins, where you can mix in your favorite toppings. Prohibition Creamery combines two indulgent pleasures, ice cream and craft cocktails. Sweet Ritual caters to the vegan crowd with its delicious dairy-free options, and Dolce Neve brings a taste of Italy to Austin with its authentic gelato made from scratch. Up in the Pacific Northwest, Seattle boasts a thriving ice cream scene amidst its stunning landscapes. Our first recommendation is Molly Moon's Homemade Ice Cream, offering classic flavors made with locally sourced organic ingredients. Frankie and Joe's caters to the health-conscious crowd with its plant-based, gluten-free, and entirely delicious ice cream options. Shug's soda fountain plus ice cream takes you back in time with its retro soda fountain setting and mouth-watering ice cream creations. Salt and Straw, yes, they're everywhere. Impresses Seattleites with its imaginative flavors inspired by the local food scene. And Bluebird Ice Cream in Capitol Hill offers a cozy neighborhood vibe with a focus on quality handmade ice cream. Heading to the heart of Tennessee, Nashville is not just about country music. It's also home to some fantastic ice cream joints. Our first stop is Jenny's Splendid Ice Creams. Yes, they're here too, offering a range of artisanal flavors that reflect the local culture. Mike's Ice Cream is a classic scoop shop in the heart of Music City, serving up traditional favorites with a smile. Legato Gelato brings a touch of Italy to Nashville, offering authentic gelato in a charming setting. Elliston Place Soda Shop is a Nashville landmark with a nostalgic vibe and an array of ice cream treats. And Gelato Fiasco provides a taste of Italy with its rich and creamy gelato, perfect for a hot day in Nashville. Philadelphia also has a lot to offer when it comes to satisfying your sweet tooth. Franklin Fountain is a must-visit, taking you back to the early 1900s with its vintage soda fountain atmosphere and delicious ice cream concoctions. Little Baby's Ice Cream is known for its quirky flavors and creative marketing, making it a favorite among locals. Bassett's Ice Cream, located in the famous Reading Terminal Market, is America's oldest ice cream company serving up ice cream lovers. If you're craving more sweet content, hit subscribe and ring that bell. Which city's ice cream do you want to try? Comment below.